With this video, I decided to come up with something new. So when I was deciding on what to come up with this video, I had something in my mind which has never been talked about or nobody has been coming up with and speaking about it much. It is something about the offering for your own digital marketing. Now, what is the offering of your own digital marketing? So let's understand what is an offering. To create an offering for your digital marketing. In this video, I am going to show you how to come up with your own offering. So let's understand what is an offering. So if you are aware what is an offering, there is no need to watch this video anymore. But if you're not aware what is an offering, let me clear it out for you. An offering is something which you offer to your audience. Our audience requires something to buy. If you watch online these days, when you spend time on any of the e-commerce store or any of the social media applications or softwares, you must be realizing that you spend enough amount of time on it to utilize your time when you purchase a product online, like a shoe, like a electronic item, like apparel, like different other products which you buy, you invest your money in there. In the same way, you also invest your time when you watch other people's content by looking at other people's reels on Instagram, you watch other people's posts, you see other people's videos, you spend enough amount of time on other people's websites, you spend enough number of time in other people's Facebook page, enough number of time in other people's blogs. What all does this define? This is the offering which others have identified themselves with a narrow point, which they have decided a product, service or a content which they have offered it to you, which you love browsing, which you love buying with the equal amount of time, and is something which you purchase of other people. Like, it's not very different from something which you purchase from a normal store. When you go to a normal store, you just ask the shopkeeper to give you a product. You ask for a service. You ask, when you go to watch a movie, you are watching other people's content. You're watching their hard work. You're watching their marketing, everything. These all things are not less than an offering. An offering which satisfies your needs, which claims to you that you love their product, which at the end promotes their product to such a high level that increases their sales to 2x, 4x, 5x or 10x. Now, this defined what is an offering and all about. So, we have to now come up with a decision. Now, what is the offering of your own digital marketing? An offering is something where it shows you what you have to offer to your audience. Earlier, I have seen many kind of blogs, content, products, services. But they basically are left completely upon you what to decide. But what do you need to do to come up with that decision? That decision is one of the most important things. That decision basically defines you to have a narrow point which basically talks about what you have to come and create your own niche. Niche which shows you that you have your own kind of product, service and a content which you want to come online and to talk about it or showcase it or promote it online through these marketing tools like SEO, SEM, e-commerce, ebooks, etc. So we have to now come up with a decision that how can you come with your own offering. For that, I will tell you a list of questions which are there. You need to have these questions in your mind. The question can be, what is your product, what is your service and what is the content that you are planning to come up with? Second is, why is this product, content and service important for you? Third is, where is this content, product and the service you are going to utilize it to take what kind of niche and a narrow point which will define your product, your service in such a way that people would love to buy that product. Something which will make your offering on a different level. The next thing is to come up with a decision that how are you going to utilize your niche in such a way and create your niche on what platforms. The next thing is the content. You decide that what kind of content which you want to create, which will engage your kind of audience in such a way that they would love to watch your content and satisfy their time, keeping that in mind that they are watching your content regularly on a regular basis. So the last question is that how are you going to utilize your time and effort in realizing that which social media channels are you going to use to promote your offering in such a way that it reaches a mass number of people? These are the most important questions to be kept in mind. Well, let me simplify this process for you. What you are supposed to do is, I'll give you some examples. If you go on Amazon, you may see a worldwide of variety of products. You will see that whatever, if you want to buy like an apparel, like a shoe, like different beauty products, depends on the kind of product which you want to purchase. You go on that application or a website. You go there and you purchase the kind of product which you like, which satisfies your needs. It defines in such a way that it makes it clear for you that what kind of product will make it clear, which will satisfy the need that you are looking for. Like, if you look for clothes, if you look for men clothes, you may go to Myntra. If you want to go for a shoe, you will go to Adidas or Puma website. If you want to purchase all of these things, you can get it on Amazon. If you look out for podcasts, you can go on Spotify and hear some podcasts. You may go on YouTube if you want to watch some variety of content, like you're doing this right now in this video. If you want some entertainment, you go on Instagram and watch some reels, watch some good posts, watch some good IGTV videos which are out there. This defines one thing very clearly, that every kind of product has different kind of niches. With every different niche, you are very clear what platform to go to. So you first need to decide that depends on this, what kind of product is your product, your service or your content is going to be. And depending on that, you need to analyze yourself and plan your product accordingly so that you can promote your offering on these platforms and go there and promote there. If you're looking for developing your own niche, then you need to have your own kind of platform to have. So the next thing comes about is your own platform. If you are looking for your own niche, develop an e-commerce store, develop your own account, develop your own page, develop your own channel, develop your own podcast, develop your own store. For all these things, you need to decide. The second most important point is the platform. Once you have decided the product, service and the content, you need to decide your own platform with which you are going to plan out your platform on. With this requires a hardcore planning regarding with a detailed process. There are successful plannings with a good strategy is going to define on for your offering, which is based on your product, your service or your niche, whatever you may call it, but you need a strong platform to promote your product. The third thing which comes up with this is after a platform is built, you need to have your own marketing, a marketing which will promote your platform to different groups. For this, what you need to have is utilizing the Facebook group page, different networking pages, using your local WhatsApp groups, utilizing your family, utilizing your friends of friends, and those friends promoting your platform on there by sharing social shares. These social shares help you to promote your product or offering or your website, getting a broad view in a localized way first, then going step by step on a different way. The last thing before I get into, I need to finish one most important point which I need to talk about: utilizing the social media platforms. Please do not discourage or do not underestimate the power of sharing your social media platforms. This is one of the most important things which people really missed out on. If you have a YouTube channel, it is very necessary to utilize your YouTube video links to promote it on different WhatsApp groups or Facebook groups or Instagram groups, so that your engagement may get some kind of real people who know of your circle or friends of friends to see your content. This helps you to increase the number of views on your YouTube channel. Also, I will be talking about this social media marketing. Social media marketing is something which enables a lot of platforms to get a lot of followers, subscribers, and even a lot of purchases online. Kindly utilize the importance of social media marketing online, which itself is one of the most important part of the offering of your product, your service and your content which you're doing. The last and not the least is to remember that all the kind of 4 things which I talked about right now, the decision of your product, service and offering. Second is deciding what kind of platform to come up with. Third is deciding that what kind of social media marketing platforms you want to utilize on. The fourth is utilizing with planning that you come up with. All of the 3 steps will become possible only and only when you decide that your planning and your implementation and execution is very strong. This enables your offering to reach a different kind of level. In the beginning, you may target lower or medium keywords or medium hashtags. At the end, you should utilize search engine optimization on Google, which will help you to go ahead and promote your products, services or content online on Google to be seen on the top 10 rankings, and which will enable you to come up on the ladder of the Google charts. The last thing I want to say is the offering is one of the most important part of digital marketing. The SEO, SEM, social media marketing, the social media applications, these are just marketing tools. The important thing to realize is this, that the offering makes one of the most important things to become successful and multiply your income 2x, 4x or 10 times. If you understand the importance of these offerings, which I have showed you in this video. If you like this video, please do like, comment and subscribe on my channel and press the bell icon so you can get the latest updates. See you in the next video.